After Asiwaju Bola Tinubu returned to Abuja from Saudi Arabia and presented with his expression of interest and nomination forms of the APC for the 2023 presidential election, he deemed it fit to attend the 8th-day Fidao of the late Alaafin of Oyo. Islamic clerics, clergymen, traditional rulers and family members of the monarch were happy to see and warmly welcome the former governor of Lagos at the Fidao. Asiwaju Tinubu talked about the exemplary and invaluable attributes of Oba Lamidi Adeyemi and the need to immortalize him.
A man of immense courage, a man who is forthright, a man who is extremely honest and kind. He is concerned about the unity and stability of Nigeria, and particularly the enduring history of the Yoruba race.
He says the first-class monarch will be greatly missed.
We will miss him dearly, but we accept the fact that God loved him most, and his memory will be with us forever.
For the religious leaders and family members, Asiwaju Tinubu's presence is a great honor.
A very distinguished son of Yoruba. For him to be here, it shows that his relationship with Kabiyesi while his father was alive, and also his love for people of Oyo and Yoruba race in general.
We really value that, and that has added to his worth in our midst and in this community.
I'm so happy because of the presence of the Senator Tinubu here in Oyo land.
The 2023 presidential aspirant also visited the bereaved wives of the first-class monarch who reigned for 51 years. Asiwaju Bola Tinubu's presence at the Fidao was greeted with an overwhelming solidarity from party faithful, religious leaders, traditional rulers, and the people of Oyo State.